Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop the traffic lights. And God, I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. I really wanna know if
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it lasts forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize all was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you. Right now, it's hard to get over. You chose someone else, best friend. Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need 2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have
guys, nagliligpit na ako ng aking mga ginamit sa aking pag-bake. Time check is 12:25 na. Hindi na ako nagsalita-salita nung nag-bake tayo kasi kakapusin ako sa oras and mabigat yung aking camera. Hindi ko siya pwedeng hawakan kasi yung gamit natin ay yung A7C at saka magiging shaky siya. So, steady lang siya dyan. So, ngayon, ayan, nililigpit ko na yung ating mga ginamit. Then, si Jam, pinakuha ko to kay Jan sa, tawag ito sa caravan, kasi sa caravan talaga ito. Kasi kanina nagloloko-loko yung aking scale dito sa bahay, yung red, ito. Pero okay naman, nakaraos naman. Sana. So, yeah, wala pa akong naluluto guys. Pansit yung lulutuin ko. So, yun na yung next ko. So, dyan lang kayo or basta update ko na lang kayo guys kasi mamaya pagdating ni Holly pupunta kami sa Mount kasi dancing lesson niya din. So, okay. Gawin ko na yung filling para sa cake. Ipit ko muna dito para malinis yung aking working area. So, tapos ko na to. Okay. Hi, babe. Who was that?
From the iPad.
Okay.
Technician.
So, gagawa na ako ng custard filling. Oh. So, hindi na tayo magsasalita-salita, guys, para matapos natin to. And hindi nyo kasi ako makikita o kalahati. So, basta yan. Ito yung paglalagyan natin. Do we still have 5? Yeah. Your phone.
Say something that will make my day.
So,
Cause these memories of her won't go away. Haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep. Cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was your crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and you were her and I. You promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone.
Wait, ang puti-puti ko dito sa kamerang to. Ayan, 1:30, mag-1:35 na guys. So, tapos ko na yung cake. Hindi ko pa siya na-assemble or na-decorate. Yung filling na, custard filling na sa fridge. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko na ay puto. Puto na ang gagawin ko. Init na pala kung ano. Kunin na natin yung ating steamer. Para uminit na siya. So, andito yung ating gawaan ng puto. Gawaan. Asan yung kanya? Ayan. Ito. Okay, gawa na tayo ng puto. Hindi nyo nga lang ako makita. Kalahati ako dito sa camera ito. Wala pa tayong pansit. Wala pang pansit. Okay, wala pang pansit guys. So, labas ko na to. Yung maliliit lang ang gusto nila eh. Meron tayong iba-ibang sizes ng paggawa ng puto pero ang ginagawa ko ay yung pinakamaliit. So, eto lang. Okay. Lagay ko muna to dito. Okay, gawa tayo po.
something that will make my day. 'Cause these memories of her won't go away. Haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep.
Wow.
One poodle.
One puto.
Poodle, yeah.
Wait. Tapos guys, andito na yung mga bata.
Wait, what colours?
Green. Yung puto, yung pink na lang, tsaka yung plain ang lulutuin ko. Ito na yung purple si Sak.
I love the smell. Thank you.
Welcome. And naluto ko na pala yung vegetables. Mamaya na lang yung pansit. Tapos yung karne luto na rin. How is it?
Bag in there, mate.
How is it, Sak?
Cheese.
You said no cheese.
Oh, is this one?
Yeah, because I don't have cheese anyway. Ayaw niya may cheese.
You don't want cheese? That's
I
right.
don't like it.
They even, mate. No.
I know, it's hot. First time ko magluto ng puto na walang cheese. Si Sak gusto niya raw walang cheese. So, wala naman talagang cheese. And yung cake, ayan, hindi ko pa siya na-assemble.
Holly.
Happy. Andito na yung birthday girl. Hi, Papa.
Mum, I ordered some stuff.
Papa, get changed now. We're going.
Where are you going?
Well done.
Dancing.
On the PlayStation. There's no stuff.
I know, you have to clean up.
Yeah.
Pick your dress.
Come on, get changed now. You like it? Okay, get changed now. Come on. Alis muna kami ni Holly. Punta kayo ng Mount kasi mayroon siyang just dancing. Ayun, binibihisan na siya ni daddy niya. So, mamaya, balik na lang tayo. Ang dami ko pang gagawin. Yung pansit na lang, gisa-gisa, tapos assemble ng cake. So, yan yung gagawin ko mamaya. That's enough ba, Zachariah? Kasi baka maubos ni Sak ang puto bago pa thank you. Bago pa kayo dumating. Ang bigat talaga ng camera to. Baka mamay, wala tayong gulay. Good?
Like when there's birthdays,
Ha?
all the good food.
Pardon?
Every birthday, get all the good food.
Well, we always cook pancit. Like once in a while.
The potato.
The puto. How soon? I will be cooking puto soon.
I want that for my recess.
Recess? Oh, you want that for recess? Okay.
I'll have like 10. 10?
10. Oh, diba? May request siya for recess. Okay, let's go. Come on. One more puto. Tinago ko na yung puto. Later, Baba.
I miss being at your house playing on the trampoline with you and eating
Merong
super dupers.
card na sinan si Veronica sa
I hope you enjoy your
kanya.
holiday in the Gold Coast. I hope we can go to the Gold Coast with you next time.
Oh.
Thank you for always being my friend. Lots of love, Veronica.
Oh, what you gonna say to Veronica?
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's your Veronica.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. I looked up face smiling back at you. Is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you.
Holly, so ipagpapatuloy ko na yung pagluluto ko. Ayan na siya, the birthday girl. Baba! Hoy! Holly! Hi! Okay, luto muna ako, guys. Ayan, niluluto na natin yung pansit. Ayan, nag-steam pa tayo ng puto. Ayan na yung pansit, nilagay ko na yung gulay tsaka yung pork. So, haluin ko na lang siya and yung cake na yung
Must have made the fizz both.
almost.
Zachary, come in here, mate. Hey, baby.
Most people just have mud cakes or strawberry cakes or ice cream cakes.
Yeah, but mommy made her own cake.
Some people just buy or make their own.
Which one you want, buy or mommy's cake?
I don't like the mud cake at Coles.
You don't like it. So you rather mommy bake for your cake?
No, I
Yeah.
don't like any. No, I don't like any. Your mud cake's the best.
My mud cake's the best.
I think it has to have egg in it.
Mm-hmm.
With every cake, you got to put egg in it, you know.
Because you're not special.
I'm special. Because I'm special.
When was your birthday? May?
Yeah, 6. Quarantine, I suppose. What? Mum didn't make it.
Yeah, one
Wait
what
now.
is it? Gee, thanks, Mum. Thanks, Mum.
Awesome.
I like the iron chocolate better than the custard.
Yeah, I like it as well, Mom.
You should try it, Mum. Well, I'm looking at thing when you're done.
You're getting everything.
It's good, Mum. Just want to put it there.
No, I'm the birthday girl.
No, but
No, I can just do that.
Just wait. No, not yet.
I still go with
How look that?
Not yet because it's not done. No.
I'm doing that.
I'm doing that. My cake looks delicious. That's what I'm having on my cake sprinkles. What's there?
Chocolate ice cream. You can lick that.
Mom, how would you lift it up? How will you lift it up?
It's just going to be on that thing. Come in.
Oh, Brian. Dad. Dad.
Yes, bud.
You missed it on Brian.
Hey?
You missed.
Sorry. Did you say it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're the best, Holly.
Mom, there's like a yellow spot.
Really? Yeah, I'm not done lazy.
Okay. Can I look? Doesn't matter. This looks good. Mom, on that side. Can I help to put the candles on? Oh yeah.
Hey, Holly, come here.
Honey. Yeah. Hello.
Alright, well, yeah.
That chocolate stuff.
Yeah?
Wow, Mommy.
Yeah.
Can I even strawberries?
A bit more the custard.
No, we're eating some, yeah.
Hey, it's her birthday, mate. She's the boss.
Oh, the best.
So get her.
Best?
I love this one.
That's right. I'll have the rest. Today she is.
Yeah,
Yeah, you are, mate. It's your birthday.
I think you just got a dark.
No, it's chocolate. No chocolate.
Why does it say rich? It says rich.
Okay.
Garlic the whole bowl. I meant to put 6 chocolates on there. Oh wait, no, it's candy. What cake are you gonna have on?
I'm gonna put this in the fridge first. Okay.
Yeah, so.
So, kain na kami, guys. Yan yung handa ni Holy Girl.
That's on the meat.
So, kain na kami, guys.
It's all the ones
Kain.
down here.
I'll tell you when it's
Yellow play bag.
Can you give me that? What, please? Yeah, it's so hot now.
Really is what made. Hey, it's time to not make it. Yeah.
No? No good.
What?
Hungry.
I just
How's your photo?
What? Every time when we go to Joy's, why do we always have pizza? Huh?
It's the easy way.
What if we all go to the pizza?
We all do.
We have like pizza every nearly every week.
Once a week, we do. What?
What could be the fatness?
The bed is really crunchy. The bed is really
what kind of one is this?
That's the pink one. I know. I only put a little bit. Tapos na kayong kumain, hindi ko naubos yung akin. Ayan yung akin. Sobrang busog na ako. Si Jan, ang dami niyang nakain. And si Kuya. 2 balik na rice. 2 punong ganyan. Naubos namin. So, yan guys. So, hugasan ko muna, then cake. Nautusan sila ng daddy nila na script yung mga tira-tirang food. Oh, sayang ng bread. Hindi na kasi yan pwede bukas. Okay. Thank you, boys.
Really care, 'cause I'm having a house party. Not staying up till morning. Sleep, then I watch a movie. I do what I want, yeah, I do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party, and no one else can join me. Just gonna keep it low-key. I do what I want, yeah, I do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party. I don't feel like talking, I just wanna hang with me. Dance around the kitchen, then we'll binge on some TV, yeah. I'm so over faking my life on the internet. Wear no makeup or high heels, tonight I can forget, yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Holly. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Make a wish.
Make a wish first.
And blow.
Yay! Happy birthday, Baba. Baba, happy birthday.
One for marriage.
Happy birthday.
That's what we all do at school.
A
Love you.
voice? Come on. Okay, Baba.
I think I know what she wished
What?
Oh.
for that.
Stop picking your nose.
It's not that.
What?
It's not that. I can't tell you.
Oh yeah,
That's
you can't
right.
tell.
But I might say it. Okay, like that.
Okay, here, Baba.
Dad, can you light it again? I want to blow it.
Ah, you, oh.
No, can I?
What, can you light
Okay,
it up
Holly.
and I can
Oh, you and Daddy. No, because you're not
Daddy.
you're not allowed. Come on now.
Yeah, you're not allowed.
You're not allowed to cut the.
If you tap the bottom, you're gonna kiss the nearest boy.
No, if you touch the
Okay.
bottom, the
Stop.
wish doesn't
That's it, Baba.
doesn't
Okay, just a little bit because it's too late now. Okay.
You get another
That's
one
mine.
and
That's my
so
bit.
you hop on there and you go to that and flick it so it looks like it's on your thumb.
What?
What it looks like?
This.
My dad.
As if I'm burning.
That will be mine, boys.
Wait, Dad, can I try something? Can I try something? Light it up.
Is it good? Is it good? Oh, excuse me. Oh, that's for Holly first,
And then
Kuya.
you do it.
So you do it.
Because it's her birthday. Oops. Sorry,
I
Baba.
want to have chocolate.
Yeah, ayan yung chocolate natin. Yung cake pala. Okay.
I don't even have a strawberry.
Okay, now I made it.
Just a little bit,
You
okay?
can
I
have
want
my
2
strawberry,
strawberries.
You want with the strawberries?
I'll have these. Mom, can I have the strawberry?
Yeah, that'll be mine, Mum.
Have that one. I'm gonna go add some extras.
What extras?
Yeah, thank you.
Mum, that's my piece with the chocolate. Do you want chocolate? Mummy, look.
Yeah.
We'll try a bit of sponge.
Is the chocolate good?
Oh,
Hey, where's my fork?
Huh? Let's, Kuya.
Can I have another strawberry, please?
No, this is your dad.
Dad doesn't even want a strawberry.
Okay, wait a
And a
second.
chocolate.
Good? Okay.
Holly.
Baba!
Good.
Ay. Let me know. Ayan yung... Wait, Baba. Ayan yung feeling ng ating chocolate, guys. How is it, Zach?
Good.
Good?
Who got the other piece? Oh,
Let me try, Baba. What do you think?
can I grab another strawberry? Mom.
Not that sweet. Yeah.
Yes. Another strawberries.
What do you think, Zach?
Good.
Yung kuya dito sa gilid.
Mum, you can try this chocolate.
I can run it at half.
Gusto na siya with Holly.
At half.
My bit strawberry.
Nice. No?
No? Yeah. Nice.
How is it, Zaki boy? Like the custard? Okay.
Can I have a strawberry?
Okay, we're gonna close the vlog now.
Thank you guys for watching our vlog. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Bye!
So, sa Thursday, dapat pipick upin sila ni Auntie Mel, pero nagbago yung plan.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. Kasi holiday pala bukas. So, baka sarado yung mga shops. So, Friday, birthday ni Kuya. So, magbe-bake ulit tayo. Then, Saturday, Holly party. Holly's party. Meron siya in-invite na friends. So, yun ang...
Oh.
Have one strawberry.
Yeah, yun yung ating ganap sa kanya sa Sabado. Mayroon pa siyang celebration.
I got one too.
Yeah, and then,
You go, Mom.
baka ma-edit ko siya tonight, etong vlog natin. Oh.
Mom.
So,
that was good.
para mayroon kayong updated na
Dad,
vlog.
take this.
Yeah, like it?
Yep.
Okay guys, good night!
Excuse me.
You want, oh kuya, Holly, once more. Give me the knife, please. Makakalbo na yung cake natin dahil
I
kinuha
want
nila.
with strawberries on it.
Wash it down.
Strawberries on it.
I'm just gonna get the strawberry baba. Sobrang... Oh.
Apple. 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 Apple.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that.
Mommy, a fork.
Gusto yung may strawberries. Yeah. Okay. Bye guys!
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
Like half olive.
Ayan yung cake.
Mom, you know that trick patty you said you're gonna make them fry?
Cause I think I do want you next to me.